Hi, I'm Jeff Green, CEO of Myntex, where we specialize in secure encrypted communication solutions. I'm here to show off our limited edition beta box for our worldwide beta testers. We designed this to introduce Renati, our custom, security focused, and privately managed mobile operating system. Stick around to the end for a sneak peek into Renati. Let's get started. First, we've got to talk about this intense tribal mask design. It represents Renati as the guardian of your digital identity and privacy. It has a premium soft touch material with a high gloss foil design. Real security requires resilient technology. That's why we chose to name our operating system Renati, which in Latin means born again. Renati is Android reborn to defend your data, even against zero-click exploits like Pegasus. Every box is sealed with a tamper-proof holographic sticker. First up, we have our Renati VIP card. It's a thin metal card with laser-etched details. On the back is the exclusive access code for the beta website. Next is the Chatmail Quick Start Guide. It walks you through every privacy and security feature of our primary productivity suite on Renati. And here's the phone itself, but we'll turn it on and talk about it in a second. At the bottom, you'll find a branded Renati cable. The red braided finish looks super sleek. Last but not least, the most exciting part, Renati itself. Let's power it on. It's installed on a Google Pixel 3a XL. You'll notice this yellow icon. This means that a custom operating system is being loaded. Next up, you're going to see the Google logo. But we've removed all the Google services from Android. This means no user data is being reported back to Google or any other third parties. Now it's loading Renati, and you can see the boot animation for the limited edition OS that we have sent to beta testers. And finally, we're at the setup screen. Underneath, Renati is running our custom hardened Linux kernel with our secure socket tunnel technology and remote management capabilities. We've removed USB data, Bluetooth, NFC, and biometric functions. Third-party apps can't even be installed because we've locked down every possible attack vector. Thanks for watching. We can't wait to show you what's next. Like, subscribe, and let us know what you think in the comments.